Hello everyone and welcome to Basic Home Ads. If you're here, it's because you're serious about building your influence and income through Facebook and Instagram marketing. My name is Michael and I am here to help you the entire way. So the first thing you need to do is understand your Facebook terms, and then we're going to create a business manager if you haven't already. So sign into Facebook and go to your home page. You probably already know that Ads Manager was just added to the left side menu. If you don't see it up top, click See More and you should be able to find it below. Once you go there, you're going to see a page that looks like this. This is the Ads Manager. This is where we are going to create, run, and manage our ads. We're going to talk about campaigns, ad sets, and ads later, but for now, look up here to the top left. You see Business Tools? These are all the other tools that Facebook has to offer us, and they're all related. They work together to help us get the most out of our social media and our advertising done here in the Ads Manager. So we're going to briefly go over them. So by the time we dive into them, you're going to be set up for success. You're going to be prepped to understand and just take off. And really, I want you to understand the entire Facebook structure of how your personal accounts are linked to all of this. So let's start with us. And Facebook considers our accounts users or personal profiles. Let's add in a diagram here to the right. I love visuals. They help me understand, and I hope they help you understand throughout this course. We're going to see how everything comes and falls together here. So user profiles are the personal accounts we sign into on Facebook and Instagram. And it's through these we access everything Facebook has to offer, okay? For example, pages, right? Pages are the places on Facebook where artists, public figures, businesses, brands, and organizations can connect with fans and followers. And hopefully most of us have experience already creating and managing these. Next, let's talk about Ads Manager. That's where we just were a second ago. Ads Manager is where we create, launch, and manage our ads on Facebook and Instagram. This is where most of our data is stored and where it's viewed, where we're going to be adjusting and improving our ads more and more. All users are given access to an Ads Manager, and something closely related to them now is the ad account. Now, ad accounts are pretty unique because they are operated in Ads Manager, and it's really what lets you have access to it to begin with. So all users are given access to an ad account. If we come back here, you see this up here? This is the ad account that Facebook created for me in my name when I made an account on Facebook. And just like pages, ad accounts have a settings. And it's in your ad account settings that you can choose things called attribution models, okay? And now audiences. What is the audience manager? Well, this is where custom audiences are made, organized, and managed. Audiences can be created from so many different things, like your Facebook page, your website, from Instagram accounts, from page engagements, from customer lists that you may have. There's so many different things that we can do here that are going to help us just succeed, essentially, on Facebook. A lot of great stuff happens here that's going to help our account grow. Now, Commerce Manager. What is it? Well, Facebook just released a brand new Facebook and Instagram shop, and this is where you can display your products. The Commerce Manager is where you create the catalogs that contain your products, okay? And really cool, Facebook will actually allow you to run ads using your catalogs to new audiences and in remarketing. Very great tool, catalog remarketing, because Facebook knows when people see a product, and they'll also make nice scroll ads to the side. We'll talk about those later. Now to the last one, Events Manager. What is it? Well, Events Manager is basically where you can create and manage Facebook pixels. A Facebook pixel is just a small line of code that's added to your website that tracks all actions taken on it, like a page being viewed, someone adding to cart, or even purchasing. So all the events are recorded in the Events manager. Does that make sense? So here's the thing. Is this kind of looking like a lot, all these different things to manage? Well, the truth is, it kind of is. So it is crucial we get organized. And so how we're going to get organized is by creating a business manager. So first, let's start with our assets that we just covered. We have our Facebook pages, our ads manager, our ad accounts, our audiences, our catalogs, and our pixels. These are all considered assets by Facebook. And what the business manager allows you to do is organize all your assets in one place and then easily connect them to each other and then assign roles and permissions. And just like pages and ad accounts, your business managers have a settings page. So what we want to do is go ahead and create a business manager that then is going to allow us to take all these assets and organize them in one place for our business. And you could have many different pages, linked into a business manager. It makes it so easy to organize it, and that's what we want to do now, okay? So let's go ahead and create one. So for you to create a business manager, you're going to come to this link right here. It will be in the description below. So once you go there, it's going to look something like this. Now I'm covering up my business managers, but you can see this one here. This will most likely be empty for you, so what you'll simply do is come up and create a business manager. Once you verify your email address and come back, you're going to land in your business manager settings page. And this is where you're going to be able to add all of your assets, connecting them to this business manager. And then you're going to be able to easily assign roles between them. So if you haven't already, go create your business manager. And then in the next video, we're going to cover how to connect all your assets into it and then assign yourself roles so that we can get started.